Hey guys, this is me, Shonak Pal. In my previous video, I've already taught you how to calculate the sum of two numbers in C. So in this video, what I am going to teach you, that is how to find the average of two numbers. Okay. So I've already written the program. So let's explain that how I have written the program. As you know that stdio.h is actually used for running a C program. Okay. And conio.h I basically used it because of getch, because getch, you know, I have already said in my previous video, that is it actually helps you to retain the output page until and unless you press enter. Okay, so I have written main here where you can start the program. That is in next I have taken int abc. I have taken three variables, and from the two variables I will take to find the average. And after I have written clear screen basically used to clear the screen. Actually, if you have run thousands of times or hundreds of times the program, so when you are running another program, all the previous output will be shown. So I basically don't want that all the previous output will be shown here. So what I basically did, that is I applied the clear screen, so it will clear the previous output whatever it will be. Next I have taken printf, that is entered the two numbers, and scanf, where I have taken the two variables a, b. After I did, that is c equals to a plus b, and it must be in parenthesis, because if it is not in parenthesis then it will run but it will not come the correct result. So then I have divided by 2, because I have taken two variables only. If I have taken three variables, then it will be divided by 3, because I am summing three numbers and then I am taking the average of it. Okay, so next what I have done, that is to print the result. Okay, as I have taken all, that is a, b, c in integer type, int variable that I have used, that means it is integer type. So what I have written here, that is the average is %d. %d actually states that it's an integer type. Okay, then comma c, which is where you can actually see the output. Then I have written getch and the bracket is closed. Now let's see and run the program. So as you can see that I have in the output screen, that is shown, that is enter the two numbers. Right now I'm going to take two numbers, that is 5 and 6, and you can see the average is 5. As we know that if I average it normally, it will come, that is 5.2, but as I have taken in integer variable, it will only show the integer part, that is the first part before the decimal. Okay, and the part that is after the decimal, it will not be shown in integer case. Not like that when you have taken int variable, that is integer type, it will not show the value which is after a decimal. Okay, it will only show the value which is before the decimal. And if you want to see the value after the decimal, then you must apply, or rather we can say that you must change an integer type to the float. Okay, so float actually used to show any fractional part, that means decimal part. Okay, so I hope you have understood that how to calculate the average of the two numbers. So please watch, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.